This is third part of economics lesson 1, the village story of the village Palampur. In this part, first I will explain the farming in Palampur. Regarding that, we have to discuss about the modern farming method and green revolution also. If we talk about the village Palampur, farming is the main production activity of Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. They could be farmers or farm laborer. The well-being of these people is closely related to production on the farm. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. As all you know, land is a natural resource. It is necessary to use it carefully. Land area under cultivation, when it is fixed, then since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. By then, some of the wasteland in the village had been converted to cultivate the land. There exists no further scopes to increase the fund production by bringing new land under cultivation. As land is the fixed capital, it is a natural capital and fixed capital. The population of area increased day by day. The demand of the food grain also increased, but we cannot increase the area of land. All land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. During the rainy season, farmers grow jawar and bajra. As you know, during the rainy season, the crops grown known as kharif crops. These plants are used as cattle feed. In Palampur, it is followed by cultivation of potato between October and December. In the winter season, during the winter season, which crops are grown known as rabi crops. Fields are sowed with wheat also. From the wheat production, farmers keep enough wheat for their families' consumption and sell the surplus wheat at the market. A part of land area is also devoted to the sugarcane, which is harvested once every year. Sugarcane in its raw form or as jaggery is sold to the traders in Shahapur. So, in this small topic, we also found the village is having a good agricultural land. 75% people are dependent on this agriculture production. Wheat, rice, potato, jaggery, jawar, bajra, all are sugarcane, all are produced in the field of village Palampur. The main reason why farmers are able to grow 3 different crops in a year, it is very important why the farmer is success to grow the three types of crops, because the Palampur is well developed system of irrigation. Electricity came early to Palampur. Its major impact was to transform the system of irrigation. They used the new modern method of cultivation. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. It is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. All farmers in Palampur grow at least two main crops. Many are growing potato as the third crop in the past 15 to 20 years. Now, how we can increase the production of the field, as land is fixed but the growing demand of the food grain. So, satisfy the growing demand of the food grain, the farmer use the multiple cropping and the modern farming method. In the picture, you are easily can find the different things used in modern machinery. Like modern machinery like tractor, thresher, when used in farming, make plowing or harvesting faster. The use of HYV seeds. The production of wheat has increased manifold. Farmers now have greater amount of surplus wheat to sell in the market and earn money. You can say improve their economic condition. When they sell the extra crops, they can earn more money and the lifestyle of the farmer is more improved. Now, we are talking about the Green Revolution. In the late 1960s, Green Revolution introduced in Indian farmer to cultivate of wheat and rice using the high yielding varieties of seed. Compared to the traditional seed, the HYV seeds promise to produce much greater amount of food grain on a single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantities of food grain than was possible earlier. HYV seed needed plenty of water, also chemical fertilizer and pesticides to produce best result. High yielding were possible only from the combination of the HYV seeds, irrigation system, chemical fertilizer and pesticide. You go through the graph and you can find a good production of India after 1960. See the graph concentrate and find the different between the crops growing in the another part of world. So I think you can understand why we need the more crops. because once again the land are fixed, but the growing population need more and more food grain to satisfy their basic need. It is only way to increase the food grain to using the multiple cropping and use the modern farming method. Okay, thank you.